In this video, we'll be going through how to upload videos directly to Facebook, and if you so choose, how to schedule them. Scheduled posts are posts that you set up in advance that are hidden to everybody until the time and date that you've selected. So for example, if you had a really good day and you managed to put 3 videos together, but you don't want to release them all at once, you can schedule one for 2 days time if you wish, or a week's time. So we're back in our group. You can see the Test Line Dance account here, and you can see our previous post where we linked from YouTube. What we need to do now is set up a new post. So click into the Write Something box, and we're going to say this is for Tuesday's class. One of the benefits of this is that if you set up a class and record it, you can sit by the laptop and answer all the questions as they ask them. So we're going to make it a photo or a video, and we're going to select which video we want. Again, once you click the photo video, it takes you to your own PC. You can click on whichever folder you want to do. So we're going to select this video as the class video we want. So you can see it's grayed out at the moment. As soon as it uploads it, it'll be ready to go. If you're happy with that and you just want to publish straight away, click post. However, if you want to schedule it, see next to the post button, there's a little clock. This will be grayed out until you type anything in this box. So we click on schedule post. And we want to schedule this for Tuesday. So we click on Tuesday the 31st, and we want to set it up at 11:55 because we want it to be ready for midday. Let's click schedule. It'll take a moment or two for it to schedule it, and the video is being processed, and you receive a notification when it's ready. Okay, so we can close that. So you can see here there's one scheduled post. To see that post yourself, only yourself or admin, so you can click See Post, and once it's finished processing the video, it'll pop up there. There you go, your video is ready to watch, and you can now watch it. So you click on there, and you can see the videos there. That will not be visible to your group until the time where you scheduled it for.